Hey, it's hakacod. So today we'll be doing a pistols only in Warzone with Snipin, Slixx, and Valio. Their Instagrams will be in the description below. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Should I break my mouse? Should I just slam it on the ground when I get my smash it?
Yes, and post it on content.
Content! My mum goes, why are you smashing around?
I know someone that broke their laptop. They posted it and I'm pretty
So
pretty
the
sure it
rules
went
are
viral.
no
Don't know
picking
why
up
they
other
broke their
weapons.
laptop.
You have to keep your pistol.
Yes, but if you find a
Until we get
pistol, you're allowed to use it. You're allowed to use any pistols.
You go downtown, get that, and then...
No.
Because we're going to be using pistols only.
No, we
We're
could
just
literally
get
camp.
chased.
No, we could camp the steeds and the...
Should I go to pistol?
No?
No.
You off your head?
This could
Trying
be
to get
our
this
LC.
kill.
Alright, go hills then.
Why does Hills look
We
like
have to run over
like posh, yeah, I like it. Why does Hills look like a posh, like, you know, street? I don't know how to figure my own. I don't know what I can say on YouTube and what I can't say.
I'm
So I'm just
landing in
staying
here.
quiet.
Oscar Mike.
Why are there bugs in flies and...
Oh, there's an MP7 as well. Got to kill off.
I just got
mobs.
a green MP7. So...
Yeah, you
Got
can't
a
kill.
deagle.
Oh,
Yeah, you can't kill. You have to drop it.
but-
Yeah, I found a legendary grenade launcher.
We should add a punishment to whoever picks up a pistol. It's it.
Oh, shut up. No.
Are we allowed to use lethals and tacticals?
Yes.
Alright.
Right, so your punishment is you're gonna lose all your money.
Found a pistol
There
here.
you go.
I just got 3.2k in one crate.
Okay.
Hey, is it only me, or does anyone else hate the posh, privileged Karens? You know, like Karens, and the actual privileged and all that. You're like, oh, I have the right.
Hippity
make
hoppity,
sure
get off.
that you do
Hippity hoppity,
off.
give me your property.
get off my property.
Nah, hippity hoppity, give me your property.
I can't pick up the rocket launcher. Oh, we can already
Hippity
buy
hop,
a load of
hippity hee,
kids,
get the
kids,
out
kids.
of my
In the car, in the circle B. Fatty, T-shirt
I've got a blue
Fatty,
deagle.
Party.
Oh, it's grenade launcher.
There's no pistol.
Did you get
My
grenade
urges.
launcher, Valio?
My urges. It's so fun.
Oh, no!
Ah! I'm getting shot at.
Get in the building! Valio, come help! Valio! Go run him over, Snipin! Snipin, go run him over! Lower your tone. You gonna get hit. I whacked him twice! Come down here and help me! Come down here and help me! I whacked him twice, he's cracked. Don't
Where is he?
you have a... Go upstairs, go upstairs.
Go easy.
Ah, he's by me. Yo, what?
He finished me!
Oh. Well, this is going great so
Wait, can we
far.
use our pistols in the gulag? Wait,
Oh.
let's make it a sequence. In gulag, we're allowed to use the weapons that gulag gives us. Yes or no?
Feel free to give these wankers a proper cheer.
I say yes.
And if you find something
it's
to
fair
flog,
enough.
feel free to
Sure.
give them that.
I
as
say
well.
no.
I
I
say
mean-
yes.
Here
If
we
you
go.
want to win this game, then it's a yes.
You're up next, mate. Get ready.
To make it harder, I say no.
Listen up, soldier. Win here, and you return to the front line.
I might just have to punch.
You're done. Time to earn your freedom,
I'm about
soldier.
to Mike Tyson this ball. Kill him! He's one with it. But you captured the flag. He's securing the flag.
Well, I died.
We're sending you back to base.
Because I didn't know where he
Wait, you
was,
gonna
and
watch
then he
me?
just like no-scoped me. That was great.
Not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Yes! Yes! I whacked him to death. Buy a loadout.
Hey, I'm back
Actually,
in.
we can't.
Oh, that was quick.
That's what she
Wait, did you kill the guy?
Are you
Yeah.
going? Days. We don't have enough for a loadout. Four times. Give me money. We almost have enough for a loadout.
Alright, I got akimbo pistols.
Lucky. Anyone got armor plates?
Be advised.
Oh,
there's an enemy
great.
team
No,
hunting
no,
you.
no.
Oh
no,
my
no,
gosh.
Are you Triple G seriously you're gonna give me a car 98 and not let me use it?
Friendly personal
No,
radar
oh,
overhead.
hey. I'm being hunted. Please, I would like some help.
Let's just all camp up in the building that values it, or it's a three.
No, it's a
Camp
yellow
in the
thread.
building
It's
that
a yellow thread. Come to me, please. Or it's a red thread.
Valio.
It's a triple
Go over
thread.
to Valio. Go over to Valio.
Yeah, and get shot on my way there.
Yeah.
Let's go for a biscuit.
Wrong house hacker.
Yeah, that's why I'm running through them so I don't get shot.
But that's just saying this.
Oh, jeez, you scared the life out of me. Alright, it's
up, boy?
threats.
Alright,
Threats
This
level's
one
gone
doesn't have a
down by
second
2.
floor.
Right, okay.
Run, no. Oh, it's on a one.
Have you been driver?
You wait, where did we
We'll
get
get
shot so I can get my blue pistol back? Or did someone pick it up?
Wait, can you?
Haha.
Hide under the bed.
Oh my gosh, yo, that scared me.
Sup, bro? Can you not shoot? Do you have 2 pistols? Wait, do you have
Yeah.
another pistol?
Yeah, I've got 3 pistols.
Don't spray
1,
paint.
2,
Don't spray paint me.
and 3. Oh my gosh, yo, yeah. Wow.
Did I get spray painted? Tell me now.
No, but Snipin did a lot. Is that the
That's
Florida,
not
Florida Mutineers thing? Oh, no,
Why are
it's
there
not.
4
Never
pistols
mind.
over here?
Yo, do you wanna like it not? Oh my gosh.
Nothing.
Sniping, you are beautiful. Sniping, you are beautiful.
No, no.
Oh, I really did kill people while in the cars.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright,
That is, but that's not good.
yo, Snipin.
Can't see. No! No! You're ditching me! Get back!
Why-
Drove away from me. I think I just got shot at. Let's go.
Just get in. Oh my gosh, get in.
Right, I'm on. Let's go.
Have you right passenger?
Do you want me to drive?
Nah, I'm alright.
Oh, it's on 2. Why are you driving towards it?
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Uh-oh.
Wait,
Drive.
what?
Go!
This guy's.
Did I you?
Oh,
I hate you. I hate you. Why did you drive towards them?
well that was great.
You drove towards them?
I didn't know where they were. Oh, sorry. You have to punch them, by the way. You're not allowed to kill them with the sniper.
Yeah, you have to punch them. With the sniper. Is playing TikToks illegal?
Playing TikToks, yes, is illegal.
Welcome to Great. Let's go.
It is very much illegal. Well, someone died. Well, this was a great first game.
He would have stayed alive if someone didn't drive straight to him.
I didn't know where they were. I'm sorry.
Go get loadout.
That's so fun. I'm not off all the way over to that
You might as
Fuck
well
off.
risk it for this game.
You can't swing. PG.
Oh, I'm gonna like just mute myself.
Yeah, just cut that. Just bleep him.
Is there? Oh, there's people down there. What? What should I?
Why is someone playing? Oh my
Wait,
gosh.
Let's go.
Hold on.
Why is someone playing that?
I found this if you
Hold
need
on.
it.
Pick up. I'm gonna die.
Whoever's playing that, you're a god. Oh, it's that dude. Yeah, he's a god.
Be advised, your teammate has been marked as a high-value target. Keep them
Oh
secure.
my gosh. Yo, that's them like weird looking aliens in that bar that plays at.
Yeah.
Oh, yo, they're my favorite band of all time, you know.
What do I do?
Let's go. Please don't die when it gets to 12 seconds, like what happened earlier.
Die, 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 die.
Imagine you get sniped at 1 second. That would be great.
I hope you do.
Just like,
Aw,
Yes.
you can get one.
We're all back. Oh, we all got
I
enough
think,
money
yeah.
for a crate as well, didn't we?
Oh, let's go. Boys.
Oh, Luna drop?
Oh,
Wait, do we?
buy back
No, we don't. Oh wait, we do.
7.
I'm not too
Yeah,
sure.
we do.
Right, everyone, drop me your money.
What now?
Thank you.
I'm
I'm
staying
gonna
here.
give you all my money.
Give me your
Will
money.
I?
This is a
Oh,
robbery.
never
Give me your money.
Ain't no fuck.
Ah! I didn't mean to pick that up. It won't let me.
all your money should be
It won't let me press tab. It won't let me press. It won't let me drop it.
Drop that
Oh my
weapon.
gosh! It won't let me drop it.
Drop it.
Oh
Drop
my!
it.
It won't let
You
me
have to
drop
drop
it.
all your money for picking up the
I'm pressing
weapon.
tab. It won't let me.
Drop the weapon.
It won't let me.
Drop the weapon.
Right, I won't use it. Just drop me all your money, quick. I can get
Wait,
rid of
wait,
it when we
drop
buy
your
it.
weapon.
Oh my god.
Sniping, drop your money.
Gotta stand by the rules.
Right. Drop me your money.
Sniping, drop your money
Dro-
first.
Everyone, drop me all their money.
You
No,
drop your money first.
just
Sniping.
drop the money. Don't jump off the. Oh my
Losing
god.
ground.
The longer yous are diddly-daddlying about, we're probably gonna get shot.
Look, just give me all your money. It's not that hard.
Go
Say
down here
please.
Please, give me all your money.
Alright, thank you.
You can't rob me because I said
If
no.
I can beat you in a 1-on-1.
Nah, just
Broke
nah.
your ankles.
Nah, just give me your money. I want the
Fuck
loadout.
off.
No, please,
Fuck
please.
parkour.
Nah, give me your money.
That's the parkour in this game.
Nah, that's
Guys,
all
I
I
just
need.
got back to give you
Oh,
money
I've been
when you
trapped.
dipped.
Oh my gosh, give me the money. Someone's right, Snipin, come up here. Come down here, give me the money.
No. Have my money.
How hard is
What
it
a
to drop
gesture.
money? See if you pick it up.
Ready, guys? Ready
Um,
for this?
give
Ready
me
for
the
this? I'm gonna show you
money!
something cool. Guys, I'm gonna show you something cool. Ready?
No, Snipin, give me the money.
Die.
No, no.
Sniping,
Snipin, give
me
me the
1K.
money!
Just
Stop!
give him
No!
1K.
Stop running away! Nah. You're bullying me at this point. Just give
You
me the
shall not
money.
get up.
Hacker, come here.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come over.
Alright, looks like we're not getting a loadout drop, are we?
Hacker,
We've got 9,000.
How do you just
need
drop you
1,000
money?
more.
Thank you. Where's the nearest loadout drop? Or not, buy station?
Oh.
I'm wondering why my tab button isn't
Let's
working.
go here.
Might have what you need.
Alright.
Jump, he won't. Don't spray me! Let me out.
Found some cash here.
Boys, circle's coming in, so you might want to dip. I should have probably put on a giddy suit for this challenge, shouldn't I?
Nah.
this guy parachuting to the left. Directly
Parkour.
going towards the police station.
UAV overhead.
I'll drive.
The seat's mine.
Enemy movement.
Hop in, Brittany.
I'll drive.
The paw. Yo,
Pistol.
Yo, where are
pull
you?
the loadout drop.
You've got a loadout drop in.
Boys,
gonna-
you do know we have to take this seriously. Right.
No.
Look, sit still.
Gas is closing in.
Oh.
Relocating the safe zone.
What's up,
Alright.
boys?
I'm stuck.
I just went in the car. Like,
Let's go.
Get your ass here now, Snipin. Snipe it. Let's see everyone's right shields. Yeah. Boys, we look so dumb.
Yeah.
I have a
Have your
Kim.
I haven't even got throw knives. I've got C4.
I got T4 as well.
Oh, well, C4.
I'm going to get this car over here.
No, you're not.
Setting sharp.
I can drive.
How do I get my C? What
Wait. Right, we need to go.
All right,
is this?
Nah, the flip over.
We are sideways. You get those goosebumps every time. You come around. Yeah.
Ah.
Can I drive?
Oh,
please?
come on.
You've got gas moving in.
Can I please drive? Can I drive? Can I drive? Can I drive yet, please? Can drive?
I think we should go into here, into this house.
Yeah, let's go in this house.
Raising position.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Hopefully that works.
Alright, I need to plug my controller in quickly because the vibration's gone.
Why do you need vibration? Weirdo.
I'm gonna just sit in this corner.
Moving.
Can you see my feet?
Because, believe it or not, it helps the muscle memory.
That was a very, very smart move.
Come here, sniping. Come here. Come here, sniping. You can't get away.
Go easy. I've got you.
Sniping. You can't get away. Sniping. Come here, sniping.
Right, we need to find ammo.
Sniping. You know sniping. You can't get away from me. Oh, fuck.
It's not the
Boys,
sharpest hole in the shed, is
Eagle.
it?
Check your bloody fire.
your guy just swore. He said, bloody
You just swore.
people.
Wait, what do you mean?
I don't know. I thought I said people.
Right, that's just me smashing the windows. I'm doing the windows then.
Stuff is cool in the shed. She's looking kinda dumb.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Hey, yo, hey, yo.
On her
Yo.
forehead. Let me do stuff on
Have you been driving?
Oh my gosh, you don't really care what you're saying at all, do you?
Guys, come here real quick.
I'm singing a song, isn't that how it goes?
Loadout drop headed your way.
Nothing, what are you doing?
Just come here.
Who's sniping at?
In the top room.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I just got in the car accidentally
Look at the
reversing.
look at the
There's people right outside.
Look at
They're coming up the stairs. They're
Bro,
coming up the
there's people
stairs.
outside,
Yes!
like, I don't care.
I got in the car, reversed, and accidentally killed someone, so...
So I can help me.
Again.
Get up, get up, get up.
Oh my
Valio,
gosh.
where are you? Valio, get a car, drive it by the window, and come pick me up.
Hey, station mark.
I have to do it again.
What put it, Valio? Go get it. Valio, do a takedown.
Assassinate!
Guys, in another
Yes, go on! Assassinate him! Wow.
Where is he?
No!
He's only in a
this
hospital.
challenge
He's in a
thing
hospital bed.
I'm happy I got the assassination.
I am the face of hackers content.
I think
Oh,
we
yeah,
should just
so-
try to get money and
Aid
buy us back
station
in.
marked.
Oh my gosh.
I am
Parkour,
hiding.
parkour.
I don't know how that guy didn't see me running across the road.
I'm hiding. They will never find me.
I'll drive.
No, you're going to die to storm now.
I mean, I didn't even know there was people there until I got in the car and reversed. I accidentally knocked someone. I get
Right
out
off.
and run. Yep, that's a better idea. There's people to your left. I would shoot
I
him
cracked
instead of
him.
just looking, sitting there. You're in the storm. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh my gosh.
That's
You're gonna get sniped in the back of the head.
Are you
Yay.
serious?
You shoot.
So basically after this, we just realized that we're never getting any further than 6th. So most of them went off because they were tired. So that'll be the end of the video. So yeah, thank you for everyone watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you all have a great rest of your day.